Welcome to BasePac tutorial. My name is Ada, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily install BasePac 10 and get it activated. Oh, and by the way, this video is available in multiple languages, so if you need a different one, you can simply check the video description below. What you need to install BasePac. Well, first of all, you'll need a Software-Dongle. You'll get this when you purchase the software. And of course, you'll also need the installation file for BasePac 10. You can simply download it from our website. By the way, I've included the link in the video description below so you can check it out there. To install BasePac, you need to download the installation file from our website. There, you'll find both a 64-bit and a 32-bit version of the software. Now, if you're wondering which one to choose, don't worry. There are a few simple rules to follow, and I'll walk you through them. If your system is 64-bit, well, in that case, always go for the 64-bit version of the software. 64-bit software can take better advantage of your system's performance. It can use more memory and is optimized for modern computers. That being said, the 32-bit version will still work on a 64-bit system. But honestly, it's not as efficient as the 64-bit version. If your system is 32-bit, only choose the 32-bit version of the software. You might be wondering why? Well, a 32-bit system simply can't run 64-bit software. So if you try to install it, it just won't work. To install BasePac 10, head over to your Downloads folder and look for the zip file you just downloaded. To extract the zip file, click on the zip file with right mouse button and click on Extract All. Choose a location where you want to save the installation files and click on Extract. Once the files are extracted, open the installation file, and this will start the setup wizard for BasePac. During the installation, BasePac will walk you through the setup process. After a little while, you'll be asked to select the target directories for a few things. Program files, fonts and borders, and also for macros and stencils. I personally just go with the default settings, so I'll click Next. And that's it! The installation is now complete. To activate BasePac, first, make sure your dongle is plugged into your computer. Then, simply double-click on the GIS BasePac 10 icon. Once BasePac starts, you'll see a password license window pop up. If you have your permanent license, just check which package you purchased and enter the password in the right field. If you have a time-limited license, click on Time Limited and then on Load License. Search for the file we sent to you, click Open, and then OK. Now you have activated BasePac. If you have any questions, just let us know. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!